Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to show you guys a little something that I'm doing for a customer of mine. So the customer has these stairs that have this big empty space, and in order for him to be safe, number one, two, I think he's selling the house, so he wants to make sure that anybody who potentially purchases the house will not have an issue with potentially falling through the stairs. Now there are rails on the left side, but you have to have something on the right side just in case a little kid happens to walk down the stairs and boom, can fall right through the stairs onto this hard concrete. But we do not want that. That's a big liability. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how you can do a quick fix to this. As you can see, so far I've already put up a couple of 2x4s, and what I did was I attached it to the current stairs that are in place here and also to the joists right above. So right now we have a brace right here coming in between these two 2x4s, one starter over here, so that's kind of like another brace, or a start to an actual brace that we're going to be doing. And if you guys have any questions, feel free, man, just leave a comment, ask a question, and do not forget, definitely subscribe. Definitely helps me out. And we're going to move forward with this. Basically, we're just going to put a few more cuts, and we're going to put a couple of braces across, and we're done. This is one of those quick, easy projects that you could do at home in your spare time. Probably take you, I don't know, 2 hours most, with a trip to the hardware store, maybe. But follow along, guys. It's very simple, very easy to do. Hope you like the video. See, this is my worm drive. It's by Skillsaw. I'm telling you, this is one of the best drills, best saws on the market. It's old, but I love it. I still use it all the time. It's heavy duty. You can drop this thing off a building and it will still work. Believe me, it's happened. So what I did was I just cut this piece right here. What I like to do is just kind of go with the measurement that's already there. If you have a piece that's pretty much just a spare piece of 2x4, you can just go ahead and line it up to the actual ceiling, and then right to the step, give it a little line across, and then tap it in, screw it in, good to go. That's actually a really good fit. I really didn't have to do any hammering to it or anything like that. It's going to brace right to the steps. And I'll show you guys that just so you can see. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to brace right to the lip of the stair, right to the step itself, and then right above, but after I actually line it up. So you can see that. So that's what's going to happen there. And that's what we've been doing over here. As you can see, we have here a piece that's already set in place. And you look up top, same thing. Then we just put the brace right across, very strong. So that's what we're doing with that, guys, and follow along. What I just did right now is I took a 2x4 and I broke it down, okay, just so that I can use this as a spacer, okay, you can see that. So when I actually do when I actually screw this to the wall, I don't have that space in between at the bottom that's causing the wood to actually move. I would suggest if you guys that are doing any projects like this, make sure that you sink the screw right into the wood. Only because of a little more structural sound, you want to make sure that the screw head actually goes into the wood just a little bit. It makes it a little bit stronger. So voila, here's one part of it that's already done. Nobody's falling through this, I can tell you that much. Very sturdy, very strong. I will probably put another small piece right here, just in case, so there's nothing that anybody can say about this not being structurally sound. Outside of that, we're going to do the same thing across here. And I'll put one more brace here, put a couple of braces across, and we're done. Definitely need one of these, guys. If you don't, make sure you get some. This one here is a nice 4-footer. I would suggest, if you're going to get into this line of work, you're going to need a 4-foot, you're going to need a 6-foot, and you're going to need a 2-foot. That's the minimum. Comes in very handy. You need your level. Once I get it level, I like to make a mark right where it's at. So just in case it moves, I have a reference point of where I'm supposed to be. sometimes you want to make sure you have a good workplace. Sometimes this just doesn't work. But here we go. Remember, measure twice, cut once. I almost made a big mistake there. guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna give you guys a little close up to it. So it's pretty much enclosed. If you were to come down these stairs, more than likely you're not going to fall through. So that's a good thing. But again, this is a very simple project. Nothing too crazy. Simple cuts. But definitely, there's definitely a reason behind it, and it worked out really well. So thank you guys for checking out my channel. Hope you guys like it. And if you like any more that we have going on here, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more content coming. And if you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment below, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.